welcome to another support video from Instrument Choice. In this video we will show you what is in the box for the EL-MOTE-T. The EL-MOTE-T is a cloud connected data logger. It is designed to measure ambient temperature in a wide range of applications, for example in offices, warehouses and greenhouses. In the box we have the mote, a probe, a mounting sticker, batteries, as well as a quick start guide. The quick start guide details how to install the probe as well as the batteries. The guide then instructs you to go to the EasyLog Cloud app to set up the device. The device itself is a small contemporary design with a blue band around the edge. The mounting bracket is easy to remove, and once removed you can install the probe as well as the batteries. And that's what's in the box for the EL-MOTE-T. We hope you have found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.